Here are the most frequently asked questions for kitchen cabinet painting we receive each day. Number 1, how do you paint the cabinets? We typically will remove all the doors and drawers and set up an area in the home, whether that's a garage, basement, or spare room. From that point, we prepare the surfaces by cleaning, lightly scuff sanding, and then either priming and or finishing the cabinets with the products that we use. Number 2, what time do the painters work each day? Well, typically we work from 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m., but please keep in mind some time will be spent preparing off-site, such as picking up products and paint. There's more than goes into a project than the time they spend on-site. Number 3, why spray and why brush and roll? Well, we sometimes do one or the other, or we do a combination of both. Each has its pluses and minuses, but rest assured you'll receive a nice finish either way. The painter on site will dictate which application is best suited for your project. And number 4, which paint sheen do you typically use? Well, most will either use a satin or semi-gloss sheen. That's the shine. This makes it easy to clean. We would not recommend anything below those sheens, such as flat or eggshell. It'll be tougher to clean. Number 5, how to pick colors. We can supply you with a sheet of the more popular colors we use, or we can send a color consultant out for a visit. If you decide to use a color from Behr, which is Home Depot, or Valspar, Lowe's, we're going to need the color chip. Number 6, should we put our new counters and backsplashes in first or last? We definitely want to do this first. We'd like to be the last contractors on site. This is due to damage to our finishes. We don't want to have to come back and touch up finishes that have already been completed. It also helps reduce any added costs on your end for return trips. Number 7, do you install new hardware? Yes, but this is a separate cost of your job and will need to be priced accordingly. Please let your project manager know if this is something that you want. Number 8, this is a big one. How long will the job take? This is a tough one to answer because everything affects the job. The humidity of the house, the humidity outside, it affects drying time and recoat times. Delays caused by many factors, but typically it'll take about 3 to 7 days depending on the size of your project. Number 9, what is the warranty? We offer a 1-year warranty on all of our work. However, please have realistic expectations here. Just as with your current cabinets, scratches, chips can occur. This is not a failure of the paint coating, more so normal wear. The great thing about this is you can easily touch these up. Number 10, do we need to put a clear top coat on? No. The sheen is already in the paint. With stain cabinets like you already have, there's no protective coating. This is why you need an extra top coat. With paint, it's already in the coating. Should you want an added coat of paint, please let us know. There is definitely an additional charge for that, but it's really not needed. Number 11, on my oak cabinets, will the grain still show after it's painted? Most likely yes. It's a totally different process to remove all that grain. It all has to be filled on the cabinets. This is not the job that you're getting. It will be reduced somewhat, but you'll still see grain in the finished product. Number 12, do we need to empty the cabinets? Nope. You just need simply to push everything back as far as you can. The drawers, however, you should empty those. Number 13, can we do our own prep or supply our own paint? Do you take your own parts to the mechanic? No. You'd void any warranty you have by supplying your own paint or doing any prep on any of your own work. We need to be sure that the processes that we do are exactly like we do on each and every job. We use products that we have successfully used time and time again, and we know what to expect with them. Number 14, how do we wash them? Simple, guys. A mild detergent and water only. Don't use any Windex. We don't want to use anything caustic, nothing with alcohol in it. Remember, alcohol is the solvent for most water-based paints. What if I have questions the lead painter cannot answer? Easy, Tanya. She's your project manager. She's fully authorized and capable to answer any questions and get things done. She's been with me from the start. I would not be able to help personally as it will take me too long to get an answer back to you that you really need an answer right away. So there are frequently asked questions for kitchen cabinets. If you have any more questions, like I said, shoot them over. We would love to answer them right here. All right, take care and enjoy your kitchen cabinet project.